If you've decided to declutter your home or office and hire a professional junk removal service in Austin, you're making a great decision. Whether you're preparing for a big move, renovating, or simply clearing out unwanted items, a junk removal company can make the process much easier and more efficient. However, to ensure that the junk removal service goes smoothly, it's essential to prepare your space properly. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you prepare for junk removal in Austin, making the process as quick and hassle-free as possible. Evaluate and sort your items. The first step in preparing for a junk removal service is to evaluate what you want to get rid of. Take a walk around your home or office and identify the items you no longer need or use. This could include old furniture, broken appliances, electronics, boxes of unused items, and even construction debris if you're doing a renovation. Tip: if you're unsure whether something should be thrown away, ask yourself if it's been used in the last 6 months. If not, it's likely a candidate for removal. After evaluating, sort your items into categories. This makes the process quicker for both you and the junk removal company. Separate the items you want to keep from the ones that are truly trash. For example, you may want to donate certain items, so set them aside and call a donation service. You might also want to consider recycling items like electronics or metals. Schedule your junk removal appointment. Once you've sorted your items, the next step is to schedule the junk removal service. Reach out to a professional junk removal company in Austin, such as those offering same-day or next-day service. It's important to plan your appointment ahead of time, especially if you have a significant amount of junk or large items to remove. Scheduling ahead ensures the company has availability and allows you time to prepare. Most junk removal companies provide free, no-obligation estimates, so be sure to get one before the service. During the booking process, give the company as much information as possible about the type and amount of junk you need removed. Some companies may also ask about access points to your property, so it's helpful to have a clear idea of how your junk is stored or placed. Clear the path for easy access. To make the junk removal process as smooth as possible, ensure there is a clear path for the removal team to access your junk. If your junk is stored in a garage, basement, or attic, make sure to remove any obstacles like furniture, boxes, or debris that could block the way. It's also important to clear the entrance points to your home or office, such as doors, gates, or hallways, so the team can easily carry large items without damaging your property. Make sure your driveway or parking area is accessible, especially if the junk removal company will need to bring a large truck. Make special arrangements for heavy or bulky items. If you have particularly heavy, bulky, or hazardous items, like furniture, appliances, or old exercise equipment, make sure to inform the junk removal service in advance. Some companies may have specialized equipment to handle these items, while others may need extra manpower or tools. For example, if you're getting rid of a large sofa or an old refrigerator, let the company know so they can bring the necessary tools and staff. If the item is located in a hard-to-reach area, be sure to inform the junk removal team about the location and any potential challenges they might face. Secure valuables and important documents before the junk removal team arrives. Check your junk piles for valuable or important items. Double-check drawers, boxes, and bins to ensure nothing important is being discarded. Make sure to remove any personal documents, electronics, or family heirlooms you want to keep. If you're getting rid of old paperwork or documents, consider shredding them to protect your privacy. Many junk removal companies can help with shredding or offer services for safe document disposal. Prepare to discuss costs and payment. Understanding the cost of your junk removal service is key to avoiding any surprises. The price of junk removal typically depends on the amount of junk, the type of items being removed, and the overall weight or size. Some companies charge by the truckload, while others base their pricing on the volume or weight of the junk. Make sure to discuss the pricing with the company beforehand. Ask if there are any hidden fees for large items, stairs, or special disposal requirements. Most junk removal services provide an estimate, but the final cost may vary depending on how much junk is removed. Be ready for pickup and cleanup. Once the junk removal team arrives, they'll quickly assess the items to be removed, give a final price, and begin loading everything onto their truck. You can sit back and relax while they do all the heavy lifting. If necessary, be available to answer any questions or provide access to specific areas of your home. After the junk is removed, the company will typically do a quick cleanup of the area. Make sure to check the area before they leave to ensure everything has been removed. Conclusion: make junk removal easy in Austin. Preparing for a junk removal service in Austin doesn't have to be difficult. By sorting your items, scheduling in advance, clearing the path, and communicating with the service beforehand, you'll ensure a smooth and efficient process. Taking these steps will allow you to enjoy the benefits of a decluttered, more organized space without the hassle. Whether you're decluttering your home, office, or preparing for a big move, professional junk removal services in Austin will save you time, effort, and stress while keeping your property looking clean and organized.